You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, this name, this video game. Elden Ring, Elden Ring, Nightreign. Yeah, a train that goes through the night, is it? A night train? Well, the pronunciation at least is the same, but no, it's a night reign, as in the reign of a kingdom, right? Elden Ring, Nightreign. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.